telling me if Trina wants to come, the very most effective is you have to get married to somebody here. So she's referring the son to marry Trina. Trina will come over.
Kailang immigrant pa lang si Starfield. Pagka-immigrant kasi matagal. Pwede nga pero you have to wait for 4.5 years.
Say Happy Memorial. It's a video. So you have to say something.
Happy Memorial!
Happy Memorial Day.
Hi!
Happy Memorial Day.
Lady Gaga. Stand to show.
Stand up.
And Madonna. Mo ako video okay punta ko sa YouTube net para makita ni Trina.
Oh my
Awesome.
God.
Hello.
Kasi may makakita
To all friends from Bacolod, Happy Memorial.
Happy Memorial!
Right. Where is David Foster?
Naganap ako sa Best Buy, wala sila.
Yung ano?
David.
No. This one?
And beautiful view.
David Foster.
Oh, great din ito.
What?
Great. Great.
Okay, happy
Memorial Day.
Memorial Day to America and to my sweetie pie, Jim.
Nakita mo? Nakita mo?
Ano?
Yung
Ano?
Bumili ako ng CD doon sa mga naglalako ng Mexicano. Pagdating sa bahay, nalikod yun, patugtog mo. Walang boses na lumalabas.
Saan?
Yung mga Mexicano na naglalako. Oo. Siguro mga ano to, mga Chinese na. Oo, $3. Walang sound na lumalabas. Ayaw man ka rin gagawin ko. Kaya sinat mo natin.
Really nice way. I didn't know that he has an affair with Barbara Streisand before. Yeah.
How can a career like
And he was very, very young then, you know.
15 Grammy Awards, hundreds of hit records. His talent is interwoven into the songbook of all of our lives. But that's only one journey. He's been on an even more important journey, a journey from the heart to the soul. All of us trying to make a difference in the world know that when you call David for his help, before you even finish asking the question, he says yes. David, your unbelievable talent has only been outmatched by the size of your heart. So from me and my foundation, thank you. For everyone here tonight,
Huwag yung
thank you.
Kwan.
Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friend, David Foster.